In this video, I'm going to show you my 5 favorite Shopify apps for my e-commerce store. After watching, I'm curious to know which apps you already use and which one you're excited to try out. Hi creative friends, this is Kathy from Easy Sunday Club. Our YouTube channel has business videos for artists to help them turn their creative daydream into reality. My Shopify store sells my watercolor art, greeting cards, and baby goods. And even though the Shopify apps that I'm about to recommend applies to all industries, I've curated the list just for creatives like you and me. My favorite thing about Shopify is the huge selection of apps that they have available in their app store. They have apps for almost everything you can think of, and many of them have a free plan or a free trial for you to try it out. But that doesn't mean that you should have 100 different apps running on your site. Some apps aren't compatible with each other or the theme that you're using, or they could slow down the load time of your website, which could negatively impact the user experience of your customers. Also, these monthly subscriptions could quickly add up, so you want to be mindful of only using the ones that's going to add real value. For me, the 2 criteria I use to decide if I want to keep or toss the app is whether it increases sales or saves me time. It's as simple as that. If it increases sales, then it pays for itself, and if it saves me time, I get to do the things that I'm good at or enjoy, then it also pays for itself. Kicking off the list, the first app is one that I wish I had implemented years ago, and that is an email pop-up tool with gamification features. And I'll explain what that is. There are 2 tools that do this really well. One is Privy, the other one is Tada, which is what I currently use. When people visit my site, they will see a pop-up that invites them to play a spin the wheel game to get a surprise discount. If you're skeptical about pop-ups or think that this is corny or will turn people away, trust me, I was too until I left it on for a couple of months. And now I have this on almost all the time. I used to only collect a few emails a week if I'm lucky, but now I'm getting subscribers almost every day. Truth is, if you're not proactively collecting emails to grow your list and you're just passively placing a link on your website or in some random place that people won't notice, then you're just not going to grow your list. After trying this gamify style pop-up for a better half of a year, I also found that it's much more effective than a generic pop-up that offers a single discount. The element of surprise entices people to use it, and what's there to lose? They're just giving up their email. And in the settings, you could also set your own probability of winning each of the discount variations. So for example, if you let them know that they can win up to 25% off their next order, you can calibrate the setting of the wheel so that only 1 in 10 people will actually get that discount and the rest will get other types of discounts like 10% off, 15% off, free shipping, etc. It's still a nice surprise to them because they're still getting something at the end. And once the discount code is activated, you can set an expiration right then and there to drive a sense of urgency. Even if they don't purchase right away and let the code expire, they'll be on your list, which gives you opportunity down the road to engage with them. This is a better strategy than just hoping and praying that they will come back to your site again. The second Shopify app I love is an email marketing app, and that's Klaviyo. So not to be confused with an email pop-up, which collects the emails, the email marketing tool allows you to send emails to the people whose emails you collect. And Klaviyo is hands down the best email marketing platform I've used. There are many options out there for service business and different industries, but if you have an e-commerce store, then Klaviyo is the best of its kind. In fact, it's one of the few tools that promises a lot and it over-delivers. So why is this even considered a Shopify app? It sounds like a standalone tool. Well, it integrates with your sales data in Shopify so that it can track sales data, which allows you to create different segments of your email list based on consumer behavior. So for example, this past Thanksgiving, I ran a Black Friday sale and I only offered a discount to my customers that have bought something in the last 6 months. Klaviyo allows me to create a list of those customers very quickly so that I can send them that offer. At the time of this recording, Klaviyo has a free option that allows you to try out their tool with a small list. So I highly recommend it. If your list grows to a larger size, their starting plan starts at $30 or $40, and it's really affordable considering how much return on investment you're getting. The third app on my list is product reviews. You already know how you can leave product reviews on Etsy. Well, it's just as important to have them on your own website. It provides social proof and is also good for SEO, which is search engine optimization for your own website. I'm currently using the app by Shopify. In the App Store, it's called Product Reviews. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles in some of the paid apps, but it does what it's supposed to do. And when you start to get reviews, you can take screenshots of them and share them on your social media or send them to your email list. One thing that I do to encourage more reviews on my website is to set up an automated email reminder to my buyers about 10 days after they place an order to ask them to leave a review on the thing that they just purchased. And guess what? That is possible through the email marketing tool I just mentioned, Klaviyo. So you'll start to notice that a lot of the apps I use are connected with each other. They work well together and not clash each other. The product review app is completely free and there's no tier pricing. So that's the great thing about it. And obviously because it's created by Shopify, it's compatible with the Shopify site. The next app on my list is the free shipping bar. In the App Store, it's called the free shipping bar. I love when an app does one simple thing really well, and this one does just that. The free version allows me to promote my free shipping offer on top of my website, and it will also tell the customers how far away from qualifying for the offer. So for example, my website right now, easysundayclub.com, offers free shipping for US orders over $60. So if you have $50 in your cart, the bar will change its messaging and say that you are $10 away from free shipping. And if you did meet the requirement of $60, it will change the messaging to congratulations or whatever you want the message to be. The free version also allows me to customize the colors and font of my message so that it's on brand. But there are advanced options at a small fee that allows you to do, geo-targeting and whatnot. Just make sure that when you are offering different shipping offers or you're testing with different shipping offer thresholds throughout the year, that whatever you're offering on the free shipping bar matches with your shipping settings so that the customer isn't surprised with shipping costs when they're checking out if the bar says that they should get free shipping. The last tool I recommend is order fulfillment shipping manager called Shippo. The website is goshippo.com. And there are a few strong contenders in the space like ShipStation and PirateShip, but I like Shippo the most. It automatically syncs with my orders from Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon so that I can fulfill the orders all at once. Keep in mind that depending on your most common package size, weight, and the region that you're shipping to or from, sometimes it's cheaper to ship within the native e-commerce platform. But of course, if you have higher volume orders, then Shippo will just save you a lot of time by giving you the ability to fulfill a bunch of orders at once. Also, sometimes I find that Etsy offers lower rates for a few of my products if I print out the shipping label directly within Etsy, while Shippo sometimes has lowest USPS priority rates for some of my heavier items over 2 pounds. So make sure to do some price comparison there. Shippo doesn't have a monthly fee, but they charge 5 cents per package. Even with the 5 cents add-on, I find that some of their rates are really competitive. Thanks so much for watching till the very end. I got a little technical there with some of the details, so let me know in the comments if you want me to do a deeper dive on any of these apps. Also, let me know if there's an app that you currently use that wasn't mentioned here that you highly recommend. I'd love to check it out. And if you like this video or want to see more like it, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the Easy Sunday Club YouTube channel. Good luck, and remember, you don't have to have everything figured out. You just have to take the next step. Thanks for watching.